Every mom knows that curbside pickup is the way to go with grocery shopping. So today I went to Aldi and we spent $166 to feed my family of 5. Stick around and see what we got. I'll throw in some recipes. Thanks for watching my video today. Okay, so first things first, we got the mandarins because the kids love these. They're easy to peel. Then I got these for breakfast and sometimes like a quick and easy dinner on those nights when I want to order takeout. Also got the beef one because I'm not sure which one I'll like better. We got some breakfast sausage here. 3 different kinds, so we're not eating the same thing every night. I will use this for spaghetti and Korean beef and taco night. I got 2 bags of frozen shrimp. Got some popcorn shrimp, another easy meal for lunch or dinner. Some frozen chicken thighs for chicken teriyaki night. Got these hash browns for breakfast. Mini avocados. They had this dairy-free, plant-based buffalo style dip. Dill pickle hummus. My oldest loves pickles. This is also dairy-free. Whoa! And then we had some baby carrots for the hummus and the dip. This non-dairy butter for toast and other things. This is for Taco Tuesday. Apparently they only had 3 bananas in the store. I usually get a lot more bananas. And we did get a ton of strawberries because the kids love these as a snack or when they first wake up. I got this romaine lettuce to do salads for lunch for me and some blueberries also for the kids, and then some mushrooms. I am not a mushroom person, but my family likes them, so I will serve these with the stir fry. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I will share my chicken teriyaki recipe with you. I have some ingredients that I did not buy today, so you would need those, but I just want to share. So I wanted to throw in this little token at the end where I'm making dinner because I was about to order takeout. This is corn that I had in the pantry, some rice that I had in the pantry, and these popcorn shrimp. So don't order takeout. Don't do it. Save that money. Now we're jumping into that chicken teriyaki recipe with the 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and then we're gonna need some chicken and sesame oil, mirin, soy sauce, and rice vinegar, brown sugar, 2 teaspoons, 1/3 cup mirin, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, soy sauce, 1/4 cup. Add all the ingredients, stir it up, add some sesame oil, red chili flakes. Then season the chicken and stir it up. Set your skillet to medium-high. Make sure that bad boy is warming up on the right burner. Add some olive oil. Then stir the chicken up with a little bit of sesame oil. Flip it on both sides. Much for sticking to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aldi hauls, and also some homemaking and homeschool content is to come. Thanks for following me. I hope you have a good day. Bye.